In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11 5 minutes. If you're not using OneDrive or you want to stop automatic syncing and clean up your taskbar, I'll walk you through unlinking it from your computer and then uninstalling it, all in a safe and simple way. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon on the right side of your taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it immediately, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, and it should appear there. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive panel. In the OneDrive window, click the Help and Settings icon. Depending on your version, it may look like a gear or a menu button. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can control how your files sync and how your account is connected. Next, go to the Account tab. This tab manages which account is linked to this PC and which folders are syncing. Here, click Unlink this PC. A confirmation dialog will appear. Choose Unlink Account to proceed. Unlinking stops OneDrive from syncing files to and from your computer. Your existing files in the local OneDrive folder will remain on your PC, and your files in the cloud will remain safely in your OneDrive online. You can always relink later if you change your mind. If a sign-in window pops up after unlinking, you can simply close it. Now that syncing is stopped, let's remove the app from Windows. Open the Settings app by pressing the Windows key and the letter I. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps, or Apps and Features depending on your Windows build. In the list, search for Microsoft OneDrive. Click it, choose Uninstall, and confirm. If Windows asks for permission or administrator approval, accept to continue. This removes the OneDrive application from your computer. After uninstalling, you may notice the OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer disappearing right away, or it may require a quick restart for everything to refresh. That's normal. Again, your files that were already on your PC won't be deleted, and anything in the cloud stays in your OneDrive online. You've simply disconnected and removed the sync app. That's it. You clicked the OneDrive icon, opened Help and Settings, went into Settings, visited the Account tab, unlinked the PC, confirmed the unlink, and then uninstalled OneDrive from Windows. If you ever want OneDrive back, you can reinstall it and sign in to resume syncing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Windows 11 setup clean and under your control.